Hey, how's it going? This is just a quick video to show you how to do the coolant pump test for the 335i. This car is a 2007 E90 in particular. So, first thing I'd recommend doing is just rolling down your windows. Makes the coolant pump a little easier to hear. So, I'm going to do two tests. One from inside the car, which you might not be able to hear the pump well on the video. And the second test is going to be done from under the engine next to the water pump. So you should be able to hear that noise. Okay, to do this, all we're going to do is turn the ignition on to the run position, which mine was already on the first one. After you have it on the run position, go ahead and make sure your heater controls are turned up to the max. So mine are up max. You can leave your fan on low so you don't hear, too much fan noise. Then we're just going to hold down the accelerator for 10 seconds and you should hear the pump come on. So we're just going to listen here. Okay, now I just heard it come on pretty well inside the car, but you might not be able to hear it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this test again. And I'm going to do it with the camera just sitting under the front of the car. So give me just a minute. Like I said, you'll be able to hear yours in person, but just can't hear it very well on my video here. So let's do one more. Be right back. Turning the ignition on. Heater is up to max, holding down the gas pedal. Okay, that's the test, folks, and yeah, it's really easy. Takes about 20 seconds, so good luck.